welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you and thanks for joining me once again. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment using this store-bought product. I actually bought this product from Orgánico by Christine. I'm going to be leaving the name in the description box, and it is a deep conditioning hair mask. The product is actually an offshoot of what I do on my channel, like the DIYs like I do, because it contains aloe vera, shea butter, neem powder, moringa, amla powder, fenugreek powder, cedarwood, rosemary, peppermint, lavender essential oil. I don't know, I actually pre-pulled my hair using aloe vera, and I'm going to be leaving the video on the link up there and also in the description box. Please go check that video out, because after pre-pulling my hair using that aloe vera, it was lovely. It was lovely. It really kept my hair moisturized and soft, and you need to check it out. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing this up with glycerin and rose water, and I also have here a little warm water that I'm going to be mixing this together. I like using warm water for my deep conditioning treatment since I'm not going to be using heat. So this warm water really works for me. You can try that as well. So I don't know how much of this I'll be needing. Okay, I think this should be enough. Then I'm going to add the rose water in no particular order. Then I'm just eyeballing this whole thing. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So I'm just going to mix it until I get the consistency that I need. I'm going to add this hair oil to it. So I think I need to see how much of this I use. I think about 4 teaspoons of the oil. Then I'm going to mix it again. So I just feel like I think I should add another warm water, just a little more to loosen it up. So let me see, you can see the consistency of this one, and you can also see the consistency of this one is not the same thing. Like, it's not the same thing, it's more watery. I don't like using thick hair products because I find it very difficult to penetrate into my hair. Okay, so I just finished detangling my hair, and I have my mixture here. Then I'm going to apply it from the roots. Massaging the product in. Then I'm going to use my white tooth comb to carefully detangle it, okay, from the tips all the way down to the root. So after applying it, I'm actually going to do a scalp massage. This will actually remove product buildup, and it also enhance or send blood circulation to the scalp that will actually lead to hair growth and allow the product to actually work very well. So after doing that, I'm going to tie my hair with a grocery bag for I think 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm going to wash it off. Don't worry, I'll show you guys how it feels or look before I wash it off, okay? So I actually carried it for I think close to 2 hours because I went out to run some errands, and I'm ready to pull it off. Okay, I can see it's actually very soft. I really love this deep conditioner, and thank God I bought it. So what I will do now, I'm going to the bathroom. I'll go wash this product off, and once I wash it off, I'll be right back. Then we continue with the rest of the deep conditioning regimen. Okay, just finished washing my hair, and I've already divided my hair into sections that I'll be able to work with. Okay, so I have to tell you one thing that I really like about this product, apart from the fact that it actually softens and conditions the hair and also have a very good scent, is that washing it off took less than 5 minutes. Yeah, this is because I think the product doesn't have any soap in it. So washing it off took me less than 5 minutes, and it actually saved me a lot of time in the bathroom. Yeah, saved me a lot of time in the bathroom. Okay, and if you want to see how I'm going to oil my hair or complete the rest of the process, just keep watching. So what I actually have some things in front of me, that's why I keep looking down. So for the oils, I've already mixed the oils that I'm going to use into this applicator bottles, and I have all the oils here in front of me, which I'm going to be showing you. I have my extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Yeah, it's here, and I have this coconut oil. I added it to this one. I have here the Amla oil. This Amla oil, I don't know, can you see this? The Amla oil is actually very good when it comes to promoting hair growth. Okay, and I have here the Jojoba oil or Jojoba oil, and you choose. And I added a little of the rosemary oil. This I just made it like 1 teaspoon each. Yeah, 1 teaspoon each of the oils, and I added it to this one. And I also added this hair oil from Orgánico. I also added this hair oil to it, and I added my favorite hair oil, which is actually from Harmony Naturals. So if you need any of these oils, the Harmony oil and this essential oils, which are actually very good for the hair, please kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and you can also send me a DM. So I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to take the oil, walk it down my hair. Kindly note that I did not towel dry my hair or even a dry, so I still have water in it. Okay, I don't like, since I went natural, I've never used any heat on my hair because I don't want to damage my hair follicles. So after doing that, I'm just gonna put this away. So actually on the last lap of this, okay, I think dragging the hair like this helps, makes the hair stretchy. Yeah. So I'm going to leave my hair. I'm going to leave my hair in a bun like this for probably the rest of the day for the product to actually go in very well. Then I'll just leave it, and tomorrow I can go in with my leave-in conditioner. I can go in with the content of my spray bottle to help keep my hair moisturized. Okay, so if you actually find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. And if you have further questions, please kindly let me know in the comments section down below. And if you have a private question to share with me, something that has to do with your natural hair preferably, please kindly send me a DM on Instagram and I'm gonna respond to it ASAP. So until another time when I will come your way, my name is ID Francis. Bye.